Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making coconut squares. For this here I have taken 2.5 cups of milk, 1 cup of coconut. This is desiccated coconut. This is 1 cup heaped. 2 tablespoons of semolina, and here in this pan I have added 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. This is heated and melted. Now I will add in the semolina. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will fry the semolina till it turns slightly pink in color. Now meanwhile the semolina is frying here. Here I have to mix together this coconut and milk together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have fried the semolina for 5 to 7 minutes and see it has slightly changed the color. And now I will add in this coconut and milk mixture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this till it slightly thickens. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have cooked this coconut and milk mixture with semolina on very low flame for 20 minutes, and see this is slightly thickened. Now here I have turned off the flame and I have removed the coconut mixture from the stove, and now I will leave it to cool completely. Here this coconut mixture is completely cooled, and now here I have taken 3 eggs, 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of condensed milk, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now this vanilla essence is totally optional. Now in this coconut mixture I will add eggs. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cream. Rose water. Cardamom. Vanilla and condensed milk. Bismillah. Now after adding eggs, cream, condensed milk, vanilla, rose water and cardamom, now I will whisk them well. I am using electric beater, but if you want you can use the hand whisk also. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now after mixing all the ingredients together, now I have poured this batter in the baking pan, and now I will bake this for 30 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius till it is completely cooked. Now I told you that I will bake this for 30 to 40 minutes, but my cake took 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now after baking for 1 hour and 30 minutes, I have taken this out, and now I have sprinkled 1 tablespoon of almonds and 1 tablespoon of pistachios. Now I will cut them into squares and then I'll serve. Very simple, easy and different. Coconut squares are ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.